Shalom, dear young friends. Welcome to a journey of wise financial living based on the teachings of the Bible. In this video, we will explore the values and wisdom of frugal living and learn from some inspirational stories in the Bible about wise financial management. Let's start with the story of Joseph. When Joseph became the governor of Egypt, he faced a great famine, however. Thanks to his wisdom in managing resources and saving during times of abundance, Joseph was able to save many people from starvation.
From this story, we learn the importance of setting aside during times of plenty to face difficult times in the future. In the parable of the talents, Jesus teaches about the significance of wisely managing the talents or gifts that God has given us. Two wise servants doubled their talents, while one servant, who was afraid of losing, hid his talent. From this parable, we learn that God appreciates those who are wise in managing what He has entrusted to us. And lastly, let's learn from the meeting of the Queen of Sheba with King Solomon. The Queen came to test Solomon's wisdom with various questions, and brought him great wealth as a test. Despite receiving tremendous wealth, Solomon did not become proud or extravagant. Instead, he managed his riches wisely and used them for the glory of God and the welfare of the nation of Israel. From these inspirational stories, we can draw some valuable lessons. First, let's learn to plan our budget wisely. Like Joseph, we need to set aside a portion of our income during times of abundance to face challenging times in the future. Second, let's utilize what God has given us wisely. Just like in the parable of the talents, let's be responsible and creative in developing what God has entrusted to us. And third, let's use our wealth or talents for God's glory and to help others, just as Solomon did. Let's not be proud or extravagant, but instead, let our wealth be a blessing to many around us.
Dear young friends, the Bible teaches many wise values in managing finances and wealth. Through frugal living and wise financial management, we can appreciate what God has given us and become a blessing to many people around us. Let's join hands in practicing frugal living according to the teachings of the Bible. So let our lives become meaningful and a blessing to others.
Thank you for watching this video. May the wise teachings from the Bible inspire us to take wise steps in managing our finances. Let's together become a generation of wisdom and blessings to the world. See you next time. God bless us all.
Tuhan Yesus memberkati.